It's battleground Punjab, and for cricketer turned politician who had not minced his words in the past to target the Congress party, even going on to say, we all know kaun badnaam hua during the election campaign trail. Now you have Sidhu joining the BJP amidst the allegation of being a turncoat. That didn't stop the cricketer for throwing googly after googly at the Congress PC that was organized. He is now hitting the campaign trail today in Amritsar. But first up, let's take you through the political Sidhuisms.
दरबार वतन में जब एक दिन सब जाने वाले जाएंगे, कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कज़ा मौत है, कुछ अपनी कज़ा को पहुंचेंगे, कुछ अपनी सजा को पाएंगे। ऐ खाक नशीनों उठ बैठो, अब वक्त कहां आन पहुंचा है, जब बादल के तख्त गिराए जाएंगे और ताज उछाले जाएंगे। योद्धा वही जो जूझे रण के अंदर, पीठ नहीं दिखाएंगे। योद्धा वही जो जूझे रण के अंदर, मित्र वही जो समय पे काम आए। योगी यति मानव की मति सत्य के मार्ग पे चल के ही परम पद पाए। वतन जिसकी फिक्र है हम सबको, वतन की फिक्र कर ऐ नादां, मुसीबत आने वाली है। तेरी बर्बादियों के मशवरे आसमानों में हैं, न संभलोगे तो मिट जाओगे पंजाब वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तानों। देवताओं की नीयत में भी आ जाए फर्क अगर, नजारा चाहे जन्नत का क्यों ना हो घर खो जाए। तालीम का जोर इतना, तहजीब का शोर इतना, बरकत क्यों नहीं होती तुम्हारी नीयत में। भाग बाबा बादल भाग, कुर्सी खाली कर, पंजाब की जनता आती है। कमानी ना पहिया, गाड़ी जोते मेरा सुखबीर भैया।
Going across to Kamaljeet and Manjeet who are joining us on the story. Manjeet, first coming to you, what's the plan of Sidhu as he hits the campaign trail today in Amritsar?
Well, Devina, Sidhu has in fact cleared the political pitch in Punjab after joining the Congress. He's about to land Amritsar at 10 o'clock, and after that he'll be visiting the Golden Temple to pay the homage, and after that he may address the media persons, and then he's likely to hit the campaign trail in Amritsar. Devina, yesterday Badals have sharply reacted to him joining the Congress and termed him as opportunist and had said that he's like a migratory birds and he's a deal maker and has been switching between parties to parties. Devina.
All right, let's also first go across, Manjeet, thanks for joining us, to see what Sidhu said when he was with the BJP. The face-off that he had that time with the Congress party. It's been a U-turn of sorts, if you can play that out.
नेतृत्व है, पप्पू प्रधानमंत्री है कांग्रेस का। मजबूर आदमी ईमानदार नहीं हो सकता। कौन है मजबूर प्रधानमंत्री? ईमानदार नहीं हो सकता। मैंने तो शक है सरदार भी है कि नहीं है। सरदार होवे ना होवे, असरदार बिल्कुल नहीं है। कह रहे हैं अर्थशास्त्री है, मैं कहना व्यर्थशास्त्री है।
लोग गिर रहे हैं। अरे मुझे तो ये भी सुनने में आया है कि सरकार गिर रही है। मैं कहता हूं और सरकार कितना गिरेगी, कितना गिरेगी ये सरकार। अरे कांग्रेस मुन्नी से ज्यादा बदनाम हो गई।
To understand the difference of people who are patriots and people who indulge in treason. इसमें मैंने कोई गलत नहीं कहा, इसीलिए मैंने कहा राहुल बाबा स्कूल जाइए।
Kamaljeet, my colleague, is with us. So, Kamaljeet, yesterday Prakash Singh Badal also said that you can't trust leaders who change their parties so often and change their tone so often. But will this flip-flop cost Sidhu? Because he's lost considerable time. Only 17 days are left for the Punjab polls to begin.
Well, Sidhu himself is calling this a Bhapati. Remember, he said his father had served in the Congress for 40 years. There's also the MLC. But more importantly is this change situation. Aam Aadmi Party is something that Sidhu, we all know, had backhand talks with. Somehow the deal did not break through. This is why he's actually now ventured out and gone to Congress Party. Perhaps there wasn't much of an option as far as Sidhu was concerned. But as far as his own polling is concerned, he remains extremely popular. Amritsar has been his constituency. He's been an MP. Remember, he was not even there when Arun Jaitley was campaigning. He lost to Captain Amrinder Singh. But at this point of time, remember, besides Captain Amrinder Singh, Sidhu is emerging as one of the most popular faces. He's also going to be a star campaigner. So yes, it cannot not be taken for granted that perhaps he's lost time. Remember, he's touched base. His wife has all along been in Amritsar. She's been campaigning on his behalf. So yes, he will make some in-ground. But remember, it's a triangle contest. There's this Aadmi Party, there's BJP, Shrimani Akali Dal combined, and then there is the Congress Party. But
Okay.
yes,
All right.
this is the time
Okay.
when they would make most of it.
Okay.
Remember, the Congress Party, Captain Amrinder Singh himself had been camping in
Okay.
Delhi for a very long time. Rahul
Okay.
Gandhi came from abroad.
All right. Thanks so much, Kamaljeet, for joining us with that story. Thanks, Manjeet, also for getting us that perspective. Have to take a short break, but stay with us. Also.